How to fix run history not saved on Windows. Hey everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can easily fix if your run dialog box history is not being saved on Windows. So if you are trying to save the run dialogs command history on your Windows, this is how to do it. So if I just type in anything here, as you can see, it does not show me any suggestions. So what you're going to have to do here is just go ahead and open your Registry Editor. Go ahead and open Run and then type in Regedit. Hit Enter. Click on Yes. Now you're just going to have to paste this location right here. HE current user, software, Microsoft, Windows current version, and Explorer Advanced, and hit Enter. You can find this on the description down below. So hit Enter right here, and it will take you directly here. So all you have to do here is find this option where it says Start Track Progress. Double click on it. Now change the value data to 1, and then click on OK. Once you've done that, just close it out. And now you are going to have to open your settings menu. Once you open up your laptop settings, go to Privacy and Security, then go to General, and make sure that this is turned on. Let Windows improve start and search results by tracking app launches. Just make sure this is turned on. And now if I open my run dialog box and type certain things, so let's just enter temp here. Type in run dialog box, and as you can see, if I type in temp again, it's going to show me the suggestions. And if I just type in anything else, it will show me all of these suggestions right here. So I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.